How you can obtain the energy from the nuclear fusion? First of all, what is meant by the fusion? Fusion means combine or join. Nuclear fusion is a process in which the small nuclei combine and you get a large nucleus with the emission of large amount of energy. So first of all, see here, the nuclear fusion reactions take place at the core of the sun, which generate a large amount of energy. So basically the nuclear fusion takes place at the core of sun. That's why the temperature of the sun is very high, because the nuclear fusion reactions release a large amount of energy. In the nuclear fusion, the hydrogen nuclei combines to create the helium nuclei, which releases a significant amount of energy. So basically what happens in the nuclear fusion, small nuclei combines to give the large nucleus. Here the two hydrogen nuclei combine to give the helium nucleus, and there is the emission of large amount of energy. This happens in basically the nuclear fusion process. Theoretically, it is feasible to create a fusion reactor that could be used to generate the electricity. The energy crisis of the world can be fulfilled by this technology, but when you have to do the nuclear fusion, means that if I suppose I have two hydrogen nuclei, one and second hydrogen is here. So when I have to fuse both of these are basically the same nuclei, they will repel each other. There is a force of repulsion between both of these. So when I have to bring both of these closer to each other, means that I have to fuse them. First of all, I have to overcome the force of repulsion between these nuclei, so that when the force of repulsion is smaller, both of these fuse together, and this actually requires the very high temperature. That's why the temperature at the core of the sun is very high. The fusion reaction takes place in the core of the sun. It is because of the high temperature. The same thing is given here. However, in order to overcome the force of repulsion between two nuclei that has to combine, fusion needs to occur at extremely high temperatures. So the fusion reactions occurs at extremely high temperature because you have to overcome the force of repulsion present between these two nuclei. Currently, although the fusion reactions yield almost the same energy as we consume, but the progress is being made towards the net energy production. In the currently situation, the total amount of the output energy that you obtain here is basically equals to the total input energy. But the progress are in swing so that you can get the more output energy than you consume here. If the scientists succeed, the limitless amount of energy could be produced on the large scale. Researchers are trying to figure out how the nuclear fusion reactions can be used to generate the electrical energy on a large scale. Then the researchers are basically trying that how they can obtain the electrical energy on the large scale, just like the nuclear fission.